Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to manage training plans in Manager Career. In the beginning, let's go to your Manager Career. And in Central or Academy, go to Review Training Plans. Now you can select Automated Plan, or you can change setting between All-Out Performance, Performance Focused, All-Out Energy, or Energy Focused. Next, you can change training plan for each player. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.